Whether it's mid-morning or midlife crisis, nothing is more comforting than a bowl of cereal. So true. More than 5,000 different kinds of cereal are sold in the U.S. But what is the best cereal? Can such a question even be answered? Today, we're counting down the top 5 cereal brands from 2017 to 2018. But don't shoot the messenger. These are not our opinions or based on polls. We're simply going to tell you which cereal sells the most boxes. So, really, we should have called this the best-selling cereal. What's your favorite cereal? Stick around to see if it made our list. The first cereal on our list is so popular, even Elon Musk has it on his shopping list, next to batteries and Twitter. Can you guess what it is? Well, it's number 5, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch made its debut in 1984, and in 2018, consumers bought 105.2 million boxes. The cereal's original mascot was a nearsighted chef named Wendell. But Chef Wendell got dropped and replaced by Hungry Squares in 2009. Speaking of replacements, Cinnamon Toast Crunch was created to taste like cinnamon toast. Go figure. Later, Cinnamilk was made to replicate the taste of the delicious leftover milk at the end of every bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And because the company never met a gimmick it didn't like, Cinnamon Toast Crunch even released a selfie spoon. Now you can destroy society without skipping breakfast. The next item on our list may shock you. Let the outrage begin. Number 4, Honey Bunches of Oats. But hold on just a minute, you cry. What's a healthy cereal doing on this list? Don't let its ingredients and branding fool you. There's some controversy surrounding how healthy Honey Bunches of Oats truly is. Though it is high in minerals, it's also high in sugar and low in fiber and protein. But that controversy certainly didn't hurt sales. 111.3 million boxes in a single year. There's a lot of buzz surrounding the next cereal on our list. Number 3, Honey Nut Cheerios. Get it? Buzz. The mascot's a bee. Bees buzz. Anyway, Honey Nut Cheerios hit the market in 1979, a rough time for the American economy. The company that owns Cheerios, General Mills, gave out 29 million free sample coupons to boost sales. That little stunt worked like a charm, and sales have hardly slowed down. In 2018, the company sold 129.3 million boxes of Honey Nut Cheerios. And here's where things get nutty. There are no nuts in Honey Nut Cheerios. The word nut refers to the cereal's natural almond flavoring. But what's even nuttier is that almonds aren't nuts either. Well, that's just nuts. Almonds are classified as drupes, which are technically in the same family as peaches. The next item on our list is sure to make sense to you cereal connoisseurs. Number 2, Frosted Flakes. Kellogg released Frosted Flakes in 1952. Its iconic mascot, Tony the Tiger, has been there from the start. You've probably heard Tony say, "They're great!" That's because they're loaded with sugar. Frosted Flakes has one of the simplest cereal formulas out there. It's just milled corn frosted with sugar. In Europe, it's known as Frosties. And in Latin America, it's called Sucaritas, which means sugaries. Dentists rejoiced as 129.3 million boxes of Frosted Flakes sold in 2018. And number 1, Cheerios. No, you're not seeing double. We're talking about regular Cheerios, without the fake nuts. General Mills released the original Cheerios in 1941 after testing over 500 cereal recipes and shapes. And after all that, they just came back to the circle? Okay then. Cheerios were known as Cheerios when they first arrived on the scene. Unlike other cereals that claim to offer big health benefits, this one's got the goods. Cheerios are made from whole grain oats without any added colors or flavoring. They're low in fat and cholesterol and can reduce the risk of heart disease. They're even gluten-free. Hey, do you know that it would take about 3,168,000,000 Cheerio O's to wrap around the Earth's equator? Speaking of huge numbers, Cheerios sold over 139 million boxes. So what's your favorite cereal? Did it make our list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more cereal stories, check out Kellogg's Corn Flakes Crazy Creation. It's up next on Origins of Food.